Right, we got here a Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series. So this one has a charging issue, so let's have a look. It could be as simple as just a DC jack, or maybe something more. Plug in the charger. F2, go into BIOS. Is the best way to check. So health of the battery is poor. So I'm gonna touch the connector, down, up, play around. There we go. So when it's gone now. Turned off, okay. Right, so that's the issue. Let's see if we can fix it. Yeah, we get that cycling issue. Okay. Okay, so that's not supposed to be coming out, okay. Yeah, decided to go on the inside. Here we go. Okay, so the DC jack should be there. So with this model, we can just pop the hinge out like this. So these DC jacks, they often get damaged they're not very durable. So either something's broken inside, something's touching something, or it's very loose along those lines. Best to replace it, so I'll go ahead and get a... Oh yeah, look at that, you can actually see the problem. It's like the positive cable is
Bluetooth cancelled.
coming off.
Bluetooth connected.
Alright. No, I thought it did, no. Okay. Yeah. It's been, had a bit of a rough use. Okay. Let's go ahead and get a replacement and have a look. So, we do have a whole bunch of chargers I keep in these storage boxes. Haven't properly labeled each section, but they're actually organized. Okay, so this is the cable, a little bit longer version, which is fine. Yeah, so the orientation is the same. We should be fine. See if there's any other shorter one. Quickly check again. There we go. Exact same one. When I do get a job for a DC jack replacement, I actually go ahead and get another one. Another few, like 2 or 3 of them, and just stock it. The money we make from one of these jobs covers parts many times. Okay, wonderful. Now is that where we need a screw, I think? Most likely yes. Okay. All right. Let's see if this guy works. It's important to do the hinges first before opening it. This model does suffer from hinge issues, so you have to be really careful. Okay, let's try the hinge, the charging port again. That is very firm. Okay, it's powering on now. Adapter is 45. I do have one more charger just to be safe. Check it out. I'll just bring that shortly, 1 second. Okay, I've got here a Type-C converter to the Dell. Let's see if we can quickly change it. Okay, I didn't get a chance. The battery is dead. Okay, there we go. Charging and 90 watt. So the other one was, yeah, what can we do? Wasn't strong. 45 watts. Let's see if the percentage is going up now. And moving this guy around. Okay, that is more reliable, but again, not the best in the world. The Dell. So with this guy, what's the actual issue? So if you have a look at, there's a bit of movement in there. It's not that bad, but there is a movement in there. I think the middle pin probably doesn't always make contact. That could be one of the problems. And I might have a battery for this too. Let me see. This is a, what battery is this? 5000 series. 1 sec. So I do keep a list of batteries and where I got them from and any issues. So WDXOR. So we got one there, which is poor. We got this fair report pulled from a laptop, not last long. We can check that. Oh, not that one anymore. That's it. Fair. Fair is better than poor, I guess. So I'll see if I got any more. Okay, 1 second. All right, so they're poor. We've got two here. This one says fair, so let's have a look. So we don't really need to change the battery, yeah? It's just we need to just fix the charging port. And that's already done. But I don't have a use for these batteries that are fair condition. Might as well just swap it out. Or are they going to end up in recycling? In Australia, Sydney, we take it to Artarmon Community Recycling Centre, or sometimes advertise on local Gumtree and Facebook Market, telling what we've got, and they can come and pick it up in a box outside. Yeah, WDXR, okay. Yep, that's how they just come out. That's their one. Let's try the one which have no label. If it's got a number 3, then I should have a record of that one. Let me see. Mark 2, okay. Mark 3, anything for Mark 3? Yep. Okay, Mark 3 is poor, Mark 2 is fair, that's correct. So we're going to go straight to number 2. It's already got the same connector, beautiful. Make sure that's in, great. Okay. Let's check now. Fair. Wonderful. Disconnect. Stays on. Charging. Alright, wonderful. Well, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.